Hey there tech heads, hope you all are having a wonderful day and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new iPhone 12 series cases, the MagSafe charger and how they connect with one another. And there's going to be a special message at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so when it gets to the unboxing experience, the iPhone 12 series cases come in a thin box like the iPhone 12 series themselves. Apple has been going in this direction of minimalism and thinness for the boxes of their products in the later half of 2020. Opening the box, we're greeted with the case itself, which is sealed to this white cardboard material with this matte nylon-ish material. Now taking that off, we've got our first hands-on on the case itself. The build quality actually feels a little bit different from previous cases, as this actually feels a bit more sturdy, a bit harder than previous cases. Now, it doesn't fit older models, and I'll get to that later in the video, but the iPhone 12 case fits the iPhone 12 Pro perfectly. So it's safe to say that the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro are the same size, and you can get one case for whichever device you have. Now, when it comes to the differences between these cases and the previous models, these cases have a closed bottom as opposed to the open bottom of the previous Apple silicone cases. They've got flat sides as opposed to the rounded sides in order to accommodate for the new flat sides of the iPhone 12 series themselves. And apparently the buttons feel quite more tactile than they did on the previous cases. On the inside, we've got a microfiber finish to help prevent scratches on the back of your phone, and we've got a MagSafe ring. Now, this MagSafe ring contains the magnets, which is used to attach the MagSafe accessories to your case and attach the case itself to the phone. The MagSafe charger snaps quite easily and strongly to the case. You just have to make sure it aligns with the Apple logo on the back of the case. Otherwise, the charger will not stick properly. So the case magnetically attaches to the phone, and then you can magnetically attach your charger or your MagSafe wallet to the case. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done that already. We are on the way to 1,000 subscribers, and a subscription to the channel would be much appreciated. Also, make sure to check out my previous videos if you haven't done that already. And regarding that special message that I was talking about earlier, I'm not sure how many of you know this, but yesterday on the 20th of October 2020, the government sent the military to attack peaceful protesters in my country, Nigeria. About 78 people were killed, and that is just the number of people that we know about. All of this needs to stop. Ending SARS was just the beginning. We need an entirely new revolution. We need to end the bad governance in Nigeria. There is a lot you can do to help online as well. Please retweet the hashtag #EndSARS, End Bad Governance. Please sign petitions and do all that you can to show your support online as well. Things will get better. Take care of yourselves. Peace.